We in Plaid Cymru believe passionately in our communities. We believe passionately that our town centres are community hubs. But also we've got to look at the whole town approach, I think. We've got to look at anchoring those services. It's good to see the Welsh Government recognising that now, because there have been reports from the Auditor General, from evidence from people like Professor Sioned Williams, that there has been sort of silo working within Welsh Government between housing, environment and the economy, and health, for example, when you're talking about relocating education, those kind of institutions. So it's good to see that those things are coming together. It's something that comes up on the door a lot. One of the main things that comes up is about transport and public transport. When we talk, people talk definitely about car parking and the trouble with car parking, that affecting footfall. But what comes up a lot is, well, do you know what, even if you work in the town centre, there's no bus to take you home. So a lot of these things really have to be addressed in tandem, I think.